Hello, my good and wonderful people. I welcome you back to another video. And I greet all of you according to your time. I thank you for until they support me. Everybody where they come back to watch my video. I thank you for everything. I thank you for all the support. My today message, my today video, I want to talk to some women. Sometimes I don't know if say some girls. I want to talk to some women because some women don't really know why. Some people don't know the meaning of being a woman. Some women don't know the power where they get, the power of you being a woman. They don't know the dignity. They don't know, say, at least men supposed to even they worship the very ground where we stepped on. But some don't know their left from their right. So, being a woman is a great honor. For you to be a woman, it's a very great honor for you. So, that's why I can't see the way our girls, so some of them, they misbehave online. Some of our girls, they misbehave too much. And the thing, they bring the women personality down. They bring women personality down because when men sit down to discuss, they discuss the irresponsibility of a woman, of we. When we be say we're supposed to respect ourselves, when we be say at least before man go even feel near you, before man can even get anything to do with you, before man can see beyond your shirt, beyond place where we say your clothes they cover, he go do like this. But many girls don't know the value of waiting God give them as a woman. So many girls now, their dignity they don't throw away and give. I don't even know. I don't know where they throw away their dignity put. Imagine man where you never meet for your life before, man where you don't know, man where you never see for your life. You go see her online, you see her through anywhere where you foresee, any social platform where you foresee her. Then before you and that man go they talk one or two, the glory of a woman you don't throw me. The dignity of a woman you don't expose and give her. This one bring me to ask, these people when they do this work, una brain still correct at all? You know they sit down, they think, you know they reason life, you know they think. What of this man now when you they show your nakedness, when you never see for your life, you just see this person for the very first time online, una don't they talk, fine, I don't want to deny the fact that some people they marry through social media, but that's good. If you luckily jam your husband through Facebook, through anywhere, and you marry her, it's good. But not be say you go jam somebody online, your nakedness, you go still they show her online, person where you never see for your life before. Person where you never see, where you don't know for ground, you don't know for anywhere, just they see for social media, now they talk. Our guests now go just say, I want to go and bath. Do you want to come with me? Before you know, you don't throw away wrapper, you don't throw away clothes. Then if you jam bad person, where they say this person now will come as they show and if you not get sense. You feel they follow person, they make video call. The person see the video, they record everything where you they do. So now if this person record every bit of everything where you don't show her, then it come later, maybe tomorrow, una not come day again, go post am for social media, una still come out and una they cry. Una not get respect from our woman who they give, una they show her anyhow. So people will be say their breast self, everything does spoil finish. You not go shame to even say, okay, may you cover them up, may you package and the way be say go tell they attract the man to even concern. You go still carry and you give her life. Una not, oh God. You know they think? You know the reason? This person I never seen her before. What if you capture this thing? What if you go show am to people? By the time when you don't show your nakedness to the whole world, you go come expect one man, one innocent man wey sit down in you. You go expect am make e come carry wetin the public, the whole world don see. Make e come carry am, go legalize am, go put am for house. You go come expect the man to go legalize wetin you don show to the public. So women now, when man not dey on top of them for 2 hours, you are not satisfied. Man will never marry you. Man will never legalize your body. You go scatter your body for how many hours? Scatter them anyhow. Then tomorrow you go expect one innocent man wey sit there you. Make it still come carry that same thing, come put for house. Wetin dey attract man for woman? Wetin go make man feel say, I want go see this woman? Wetin go make the man say, no, I won't go see this woman? Wetin dey attract am? Wetin go make I want come see you? Na the glory of your body. Na the glory wey God give you. Na go attract the man to say, I won't go see this girl. By the time when you don from WhatsApp call, you don't use your hand to scatter am. The man don't tell you say go here. The man don't tell you say go here. The man don't tell you say if you say go back Okuba, tell they do as they like am. So wetin you feel say go ever make such man come say he want come see you? See you for what? Come see you for what? Wetin you want come see again wey you never see before? And as you dey show am so, you go for inside your heart, you go say, oh, what a useless girl. As you dey show am say, oh, what a useless girl. That is the shame to the mother wey born you. You go dey shame for your mama wey born you, where they call you daughter, where they call you pikin, because you don't throw away your dignity. You don't throw away your dignity. And women, when they do this thing, man, stop this nonsense. This thing are nonsense. Respect yourself. Even if say the man there for Europe, he come there, he say, hey, show me this, I will give you. What is 20K? Wetin be 20K? Go and look for job. Go look for work, no matter how little, no matter how small it be. Put respect for your body so that a responsible man go come marry you. Put respect for your body. Make responsible man come marry you. Don't let man come marry body where you don't scatter finish. Don't let man come marry body where you don't use cucumber, everything. Don't they scatter. So go even tell you say, I go buy rubber this thing. And for your mind, you don't know say this person they useless your life. When you go tell you say go buy rubber this thing, may you take the drum, I will make video come, may you take the drum by yourself. So how useless you are. How useless. What do you say make the man come see? What do you want attract her come meet you again? Europe is just like every other place. Europe not like Nigeria. Europe not like everywhere. Because they say that where they never reach, now be America. Even the America, what would they talk about? People they sleep for street for there. Some people there America will not get house. Some people there America will say the problem of America don't make their brain turn. Where we say they not get strong brain. So not they let am be say you just see somebody, the person just be say na Europe na e dey abroad, all your brain don't come out. So because e dey abroad, you are ready to do anything because of say e dey abroad. He won't send you 20K, he won't send you 30K. Person wey dey abroad get brother for Nigeria. Person wey dey abroad, he get sister for Nigeria. Person wey dey abroad, he get papa, he get mama for Nigeria. By the time when you don't use this your life for here now with person, because all your mind say, after all, you dey fine, not dey Nigeria. Maybe na your brother won't come marry you for Nigeria tomorrow. Then this your brother wey dey abroad, you go come reach Nigeria, come see and say, this one, no, nothing work. Make una get sense. Africa women, make una get sense. They know they pluck money for grand. Not just reason I say after all, they Europe. No. No. Make una behave una self, because women are still problem to women in the marriage. Now say women now that they destroy their fellow women marriage, but that topic go be for another day. I just want to advise Nigeria women, most especially girls where they Nigeria. Now that they mostly they do this thing. Make una stop them. And anybody where they for Europe where see this message, when I forward and give una sisters for Nigeria, because very soon una nakedness go there for everywhere. Very soon, even some married women now they do, and some married women, some shameful, useless set of women maybe some go say that after all they don't born, they not their husband house again, or some their husband house, the shop where your husband go open for you, make you sit down there, they do your business. Now this house same shop, now you go sit down, they do video call, they do rubbish for inside this thing. You will don't born where everywhere don't mean shaga. You go see shame go let you see her. See the show man for video call. What a shame. What a shame. Most especially those wey don born, which like who part you wan come impact for your children life? How you want to tell your daughter say this thing is bad? Wey be say you are the disciple of it all. So make una get sense and make una stop to dey show una nakedness to men. Make women dey respect themselves. Make they don't go dey use that say take dey look all women. They'll say yeah, all of them are the same. Everybody not be the same. Not be everybody no get respect for their womanhood. Not be everybody no get respect. Not be all of them. Some of them know their dignity as a woman. So some people they come up for here. They go see one girl for Nigeria. Say I want to go marry her. But by the time when you don't show her the nakedness for everything for social media, you don't show her for WhatsApp. What is it make you call Nigeria go marry? Because as they look you say you go reason and say as you tell show her, not let God know how many people where you don't show. And it's true if me na man, now so I go think am, because if you can easily show it to me, meaning say not be only me one you don't talk to for all your life, not be only me one you don't come across, so you can easily still show it to other people. Make una get sense. Europe, now they pluck money for grant. Some go even tell us, I show me finish. Why you show me finish? Nah, I won't go send you the money. You go show and finish money, you not go see. You not go see. So please make una help me share this video so that at least it go reach those girls hand where they think say abroad once you just give me 20k I can do anything. After all, now my body not concern anybody. It concerns somebody because now somebody go put you for house. After now don't turn back for house, now no husband, nothing. Now begin to go church, they pray for innocent man head. Make it come carry the body where you don't useless finish. Make it come carry the body, make it put for house. Wanna change for this thing. And I thank you when I watch this video to the end. And I go see you again for another video. Like this video. If you never subscribe, share, and drop your comments. And I go see you again for another video. Bye bye.